Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to this video in which we're revisiting an old friend, which is the Troy crypto, which I actually haven't covered. I think in over a year. I mean, I think the last time I covered it was like April or May last year, perhaps even after that, because it did rally sometime after that. But yeah, we're covering it again today because we had a huge pump. We're up about 88%. I think at the very top, if you go all the way down to the beginning of this move, which actually started on Sunday, we have rallied over 125%. So huge rally. I do have to say it looks very, very manipulated, even though most of the volume comes from Binance. So that's a bit of a contradiction. But overall, I mean, if you take a look at these price movements, it does look manipulated, and I have seen I mean, this is not normal price action, just to be fair. But I have seen this with Troy before. Like if you take a look at the price action over the last or at all time, I actually was around when we had these moves. So then the volume was actually at like 200 million, very, very bullish for a good month, a little bit more even. So yeah, I do think I have something to say about Troy in this video, so that's what we'll do. We'll just do a full technical update, and I'll give you some hints as well on what happened the last time Troy rallied like this. So that's what we'll get into. Before we dive into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, I have my own signal group where I post my trades and updates. I mean, if they hit stop loss, take profit, it's all updated. So if you are interested in that and interested in becoming a more profitable trader, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment. But now onto Troy. So the first thing, which now that most of you are still sticking around, last time around when Troy rallied like this, there's another crypto that rallied together with it, and that's MovieBlock or MBL. And that's actually, wow, that's rallying quite a bit. I called it this morning in the Signal chat room. But the last time Troy rallied, MBL actually rallied quite a bit as well. MBL overall, it's an interesting project. I wouldn't say it's the best project to invest in, but yeah, you can see that around the same period of time it rallied a lot as well. Right now it hasn't rallied that much yet. You can buy this on Binance actually, Mooky Coin, Huobi. So if you want to take a gamble, perhaps that's interesting. I mean, it's not financial advice obviously, but it's just something I thought it would be interesting to share with you. MBL, so is the abbreviation of it. But if we take a look at Troy right now, last time around, what we did is we actually had a huge rally, then we dropped down, and then we rallied again. So I'm not saying that that's going to happen at this point of time, because at this point of time, it does look like we found some significant resistance. And what I expect from Troy on the short term is that we'll actually drop down to this massive support level at around 0.0035. So that's 0.35 cents. That's what I expect on the short term. A drop down to there. Right now we still have some support at around 0.39 cents. But overall, I do not think that's strong enough. So we'll get that bearish breakout, and we'll get that bearish move, and then from there it gets interesting, because we are going to find support at 0.0035. But from that support, what we should do to actually confirm that we can get another rally up to 5 cents would be my price target, is we would need to break above that same 0.0039 level. If we can do that, we can actually get a second rally, get up to 0.005, so half a cent. So this is definitely possible. I don't think it's the most likely scenario though. I think it's more likely, because we got such a big initial impulse move, that we will drop down to 0.0035, but that will just find some support there, take a break retest off of 0.0039, and that from there will actually continue to drop down to 0.32 cents, and eventually down to 0.28 cents, and perhaps even lower. I think that's more likely. That's my full take on it right now. We'll make more updates on that if you're interested in that, so let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care, and bye.